Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up settings. From here, select about phone, factory reset at the bottom. Now here you'll find a list of things that will be removed from your device by performing this. So if you have anything that you would like to preserve, for instance maybe some photos, contacts or something like that, make a copy of it. Now you can do so by selecting erase all data and then selecting backup if you want to. Now if you don't, if you have already done this, you can then select factory reset. Now as you've seen, you did need to confirm your screen lock. So for me it was a pattern. Now if you don't have any screen lock, it will automatically go to the backup/factory reset option. Now there you'll get attention, a message that it will remove all content from your device. That's the second time you get this, and you have a 10-second timer before you can tap on next. And from there you get it a third time, because Xiaomi thinks that their user base is a bunch of idiots. So not only are they letting you know that 3 times in a row, they also block it by 20 seconds. And there you can tap on OK. And once you tap on OK, it will finally begin the process of factory resetting your device. Now this process will take approximately 1 to maybe 3 minutes to finish up, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.